There is a war between Bitcoin and gold. There are three properties to every monetary asset. In the case of Bitcoin and gold, they are as follows. Number 1. Store of value. This means you can buy gold, store it in your closet, and after 15 years it will still have value. Its material properties don't degrade over time. Bitcoin has the same quality. If you don't believe me, look how much it has gone up in the last 10 years compared to gold. Your purchasing power will go up with Bitcoin. Number 2. Medium of exchange. This one is a tricky one. Sure, you can use your gold to buy things, but you're not going to be able to go into Starbucks and buy your overpriced GMO coffee with gold. This is one of the main arguments people make against Bitcoin. But the reality of the situation is that Bitcoin is the most liquid asset in the world. If you wanted to send any amount to any part of the world, you can't do it with gold. You can only do it with Bitcoin. Número 3. Unit of account. Which means you start to think goods or services prices in that unit. For example, we can all understand that this bicycle cost $15 US. But in the future, which coin do you think globally will be the unit of account? Now we come to the 6 properties of money in which Bitcoin destroys gold. Fungibility. This means every unit must be capable of mutual substitution. Bitcoin excels in this field because all Bitcoins are equal. Durability. Able to withstand repeated use. Your Bitcoins will never be damaged by exchanging. Your gold, not so much. Divisibility. Divisible to small units. It's really hard to fraction gold, but each Bitcoin is perfectly dividable by 100 million parts. Portability. Easily carried and transported. You can carry $100 billion in Bitcoin inside a pen drive. You would need a couple of trucks to do that with gold. Cognizability. Its value must be easily identified. The blockchain is completely transparent, meaning you can easily identify each transaction. Scarcity. Its supply and circulation must be limited. This is one of the strongest points toward Bitcoin. We think there is a limited amount of gold, and we can estimate how much we mine a year, but we don't know for sure. On the other hand, Bitcoin has a perfect scarcity, which means only 21 million Bitcoins will be ever mined, ensuring no one can print more of it. So you tell me which one is better, Bitcoin or gold?